Welcome to Shivkarthi Academy.
Friends, in my previous video, I have explained schedule of changes in working capital. Now we are going to see how to calculate funds from operations. Actually, trading profit or profit from operations are the major source of fund. That is, the sales is the main source of inflow of funds into the business. But at the same time, funds flows out of the business for expenses and cost of goods sold. Such expenses starts from the purchase of a raw material to the end product reaches the consumers. Suppose inflow from sales exceeds outflow for expenses and cost of goods sold, that is called net effect of operations. That will be a source of fund. Our normal profit and loss account does not reflect the actual funds from operations because it includes some of the non-operating items also. Non-operating items are those items which are not directly or indirectly involved in the operations of the business. So in this case, these non-operating items are to be adjusted with net profit. Then only we can find out funds from operations. It can be calculated by preparing adjusted profit and loss account or by preparing statement of funds from operations. Now I start with adjusted profit and loss account. Adjusted profit and loss account is like our normal profit and loss account. Expenses in the debit side, income in the credit side, but only non-cash item and non-operating items will be considered for calculation. If opening balance of profit is given, that should be posted in the credit side. If closing balance of profit is given, that should be recorded in the debit side. First, non-cash item. Some expenses which cannot be payable in the form of cash, for example, depreciation, depletion, amortization. Depreciation, as we know, the normal wear and tear of an asset, that is, reduction in the value of tangible assets. Depletion means the actual physical reduction of the company's natural resources like mineral, coal, mine, oil, etc. Then amortization means reduction in the value of intangible assets, copyright, patent, trademark, etc. Then non-operating expenses, capital losses, loss on sale of fixed assets, premium on redemption of preference shares or debentures. Redemption means buyback of shares when the company issues shares to the shareholders for a fixed period of a time. After the expiry of a time, the company will get back the shares and repay the amount to the shareholders. For example, if the company issues shares at rupees 10 at par, but the company decides to repay the amount for rupees 12, including premium of rupees 2. So that 2 rupees excess amount the company has to pay to the shareholders. The 2 rupees excess amount is a capital loss to the company. So that should be recorded under non-operating expenses. Then fictitious assets written off, preliminary expenses, discount on issue of shares or debentures, underwriting commission, that is commission paid to underwriters. Then the credit side, non-operating income, interest received, profit on sale of fixed assets, dividend received, refund of taxation, transfer fees. These are the example for non-operating income. Other non-operating expenses, intangible assets written off, that is goodwill, copyright, patent and trademark. Then appropriation of profits, dividends, provision for taxation, transfer to any reserve. In this case, dividends and provision for taxation are treated as non-current liabilities. Suppose dividend and provision for taxation are treated as current liabilities, that will be taken for preparing schedule of changes in working capital. Then closing balance of profit. Here, non-operating expenses are added with closing balance of profit and subtracting non-operating income and opening balance of profit. The balance is called fund from operations. Suppose credit side item is higher than the debit side item, the balance is called fund lost in operations. With this given example, we are going to calculate funds from operations. Calculate funds from operations from the information given below as on 31st March 2015. Net profit for the year ended 31st March 2015, 6,50,000. This is the closing balance of profit that is to be posted in the debit side of adjusted profit and loss account. Gain on the sale of a building, it's a non-operating income. Goodwill appears in the books at rupees 1,80,000. Out of that, 10% has been written off during the year. 10% on 1,80,000, that is 18,000 fictitious assets written off. That is also to be posted in the debit side of adjusted profit and loss account. Then old machinery worth rupees 8,000 has been sold for rupees 6,500 during the year. So 1,500 rupees loss on sale of machinery. This is also non-operating expenses. Rupees 1,25,000 have been transferred to general reserve. This is also non-operating expenses. Then depreciation has been provided during the year on machinery and furniture at 20%, whose total cost is rupees 6,50,000. 20% on 6,50,000 depreciation is a non-cash item that is also to be posted in the debit side of adjusted profit and loss account. As mentioned previously, I prepared adjusted profit and loss account. Debit side goodwill 18,000, loss on sale of machinery 1,500, transfer to general reserve 1,25,000, depreciation 20% on 6,50,000, 1,30,000, closing balance of profit 6,50,000. In the credit side, opening balance of profit is not given. Gain on sale of a building 35,500, so total 9,24,500. Balance 8,89,000. Fund from operations. This will be transferred to fund flow statement. As I already explained that funds from operations can be calculated in two methods. One is adjusted profit and loss account. Second is statement of funds from operations. In statement of funds from operations, the same content but will be prepared in a statement form. This is the format for preparing statement of funds from operations. Closing balance of profit and loss account. Add non-fund and non-operating expenses, that is depreciation, appropriation of retained earnings, loss on sale of fixed assets, dividends, provision for taxation. Subtract non-fund or non-operating income, profit from sale of fixed assets, dividend received, excess provision transferred to profit and loss account, opening balance of profit and loss. The balance is called funds from operations. The same exercise problem is prepared in statement form. Net profit, add non-operating expenses, goodwill, loss on sale of machinery, transfer to general reserve, depreciation. So total 9,24,500 less non-operating income, gain on sale of building 35,500. So balance 8,89,000, funds from operations. We go for another example. Calculate funds from operations from the following income statement. In this problem, both operating and non-operating items are given. So we have to find out operating and non-operating items. In the debit side, rent paid, operating expenses, salaries paid, operating expenses, provision for depreciation, non-operating expenses, commission paid, operating expenses, depletion of natural resources, non-operating, provision for taxation, non-operating, discount on issue of shares, non-operating, loss on sale of equipment, non-operating, then provision for bad debts, operating expenses. Then credit side, gross income, that is gross profit, it won't be taken for calculation. Then profit on sale of machinery, non-operating income, refund of tax, non-operating income, dividend and profit on revaluation of investment, non-operating income. Remaining expenses, goodwill written off, non-operating expenses, transfer to general reserve, non-operating, preliminary expenses, non-operating, premium on redemption, non-operating, interim dividend, non-operating expenses. Net income is a net profit, that is closing balance of profit. Funds from operations is prepared in a statement form. Net profit 1,23,000, add non-operating expenses, provision for depreciation 50,000, depletion of natural resources 10,000, provision for taxation 1,50,000, discount on issue of shares 2,000, loss on sale of equipment 10,000, goodwill written off 5,000, transfer to general reserve 5,000, preliminary expenses 1,000, premium on redemption of debentures 1,000, interim dividend 25,000. Total non-operating expenses 2,59,000. Total of non-operating expenses along with net profit 3,82,000 less non-operating income, profit on sale of machinery 3,000. Refund of tax 2,000, dividend 10,000, profit on revaluation of investment 10,000, total non-operating income 25,000. Then balance 3,57,000, that is funds from operations. This funds from operations will be transferred to fund flow statement.
Thank you for watching.